Okay, this is Jenny and Aaron getting Jenny's costume ready for Zombie 2012.
Don't get me on that rock. This is gonna hurt.
You can lay on your back, too.
Oh yeah, wait, you're gonna pull me right over this rock.
I'll try and get a different direction here.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I don't wanna go on the rocks. Go straight. Okay, this is like being drugged by a horse, but instead, it's drugged by your husband. This is wife beating. Oh, oh okay. Oh.
Pretty good.
Nice. Okay, now the other side. Oh.
You gotta roll as I do it.
Well, I couldn't.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, your hair is disgusting now.
My hair just got all dirty.
Hey, come here. Oh, go show the neighbors.
You think we're retards.
No, they'll think